beautiful love guys. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Trust everyone is okay. It's a little after 4 a.m. here in Samoa, Sunday morning, and yeah, we've got a umu to make, hence why we're here in the umukuka. So hope everyone is doing good. A special shout out to our Inga members. It's been a while since our last episode, and it's been so bad how busy I've been. I think I've got about 4 episodes in that still haven't been edited. So that includes 2 Sunday cookings, 1 farm video, and then a podcast with my brother. So that the chef Henry, who was here, so we did a podcast, and I still haven't got time to edit. So that's how busy I've been, and I do apologize, guys. I know I said probably should put in more effort, but man, it has been really busy lately. So slowly getting back into it, trying to find time, and hopefully pushing out those episodes. But today we're having a Sunday Umu, and it's going to be a big family Toonai as well. I'm saying goodbye to one of my wife's aunties from New Zealand who was here visiting. So hope you guys enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I also want to mention, guys, if you feel like you want to support the channel, be sure to grab yourself a t-shirt from our samoanfarmer.com website. It'll be great. If you want to show us some support, guys, it goes a long way. Just so that we can feel like supporting us. So do check out our samoanfarmer.com page. And yeah, grab yourself a Crave Growth. Got some other cool shirts on there, so be sure to check it out. But we're going to get started on the taro, and then I'll slowly work our way in, and also waiting for Siave, who's still asleep at the moment, so he'll come in and join us, and Loy as well. So yeah, we're going to get cracking on the taro now. Guys, I know you might be wondering, why do I consistently try to start early in the morning on Sundays? And I think I mentioned it before, but I'll probably mention it again for some of our new subscribers. And that is because I try to make it to church. So church starts at around 9 a.m. So I try to get everything done for the umu, and done and cooked so that it's all ready by 7 a.m. It gives me about an hour and a bit to get ready for church. So, especially, living in the village, Matais, as Matais, we are expected to lead by example, and part of that leadership is to take your family to church. So, as a Matai, you have to try at least to be at church every Sunday. I mean, at least for our village here in Lefanga. So, yeah, guys, that's why I try to make an early start, is so that we can make it to church on time. Sometimes I make an early start and I never end up going because then I end up cooking more food. But that's the whole point of the early start, is to try and make it to church on time. We've got about, we've also got, you guys can see there, we've got some bananas and some tamu in there. So after those bananas, I'm just waiting on Siave can come, so Siave can come start on the coconuts. But we're finishing up the taro pretty good. I think I've got a few more left, so yeah. Right, so just finished with the taro. Siava's still not here, so I think I'll probably get started on husking the coconuts. Alright, so just saw the siave there. I think we don't need to husk any coconuts because there's coconuts here, so we'll use these coconuts. But I need to get started on the bananas and also fishy the kamu. Alright guys, so just got out the umu. Gonna give about 45 minutes over here with a pumpkin from our farm. And I'm just gonna quickly scrape it for the food. Supu. So it's for the soup. So we'll get it out of the way and then we'll get ready for church. Voila. Alright fam, so it's been about 45 minutes. I think we've pushed it to the limit. Usually we go for 35, but because we got some other stuff in there, especially with the kamu and stuff, we thought we might as well push it to 45. So la fuelo mo kama.
Alright fam, so we've got to the taro, got mu, we've got luau, and some of our leftover for spore that we threw back onto umu. Alright team, so we're just gonna head on to the house to see if there's anything left over for us to do, but apart from that, we might get ready for church. God, what do you do? So we are now off to church, and I will probably see you in the next hour or two. So we'll catch you when we get back. Alright, so we just finished church, walking home with my daughter. Angi meo le loko, kokiri kala meo le loko.
Amakarangwa ole anku o Yehova.
Alright fam, we will be with you shortly for Toonai. Let's go get changed. So just a quick rundown of our Toonai today. When I got the chance, we went to have Toonai with the kids once everyone else was done. We've got the taro. My wife made turkey tail with pumpkin, bit of that faspoa we did on the umu, smoked sausage and fish right there, and a bit of bisupo and luau. So yeah, we had a really good Toonai. I think I had too much to eat. But yeah, one of my favorites was bisupo and luau. That's always the best combination, to be honest, and I love that combination. So yeah, really enjoyed Toonai today. Alright fam, we have finally come to the end of our episode. Trust you guys have enjoyed our content today. I know I did making it. As you see, we had a big family Toonai, seeing off relatives leaving for New Zealand. So yeah, big feast. Very happy with today. Also made it to church, so I think it was a win-win. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe guys, and as I said, still got a lot of content to push out, but just been really busy, so trying my best. But fingers crossed I can get them all out this month. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Remember, if you'd like to support our channel, grab yourself a t-shirt from our website, samoanfarmer.com. We ship worldwide, so wherever you are, don't worry, we'll be able to ship it there. So thank you again guys for tuning in. Have a great week. God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.
Yeah.